Hey, we're at Gold Century. Now, I wanted to kind of show you this. This is a different kind of a lighting tree than we have seen before. I wanted to show you this. First off, they've got 4 different light fixtures up there that have kind of a combination pin spot, and then you've got the glow of the LED up there. And it might not be showing up on camera, but it's really kind of a cool thing that you can go and actually literally pixel map that and link them together and have a really kind of a cool show. Now, the light fixture up there is a BW12S is what it's called. These are BW12S up here on top. Now, the tree, take a look at this tree, a heavy-duty tree with the square tubing, and you've got a crank up. This is going to get way up in the air. Let me give you some specs on this. This one is the STD stand, STD4B, and this will handle up to 180 pounds, and it can get, I want to get a height on this. Oh, it doesn't give me a max height on this, unfortunately. So, but it comes with four bars, and it is a much wider tree than typical with the square tubing here. And a lot of you have been kind of watching Howie and a few others talking about square tubing on their trees. This has it, and with the crank up, it's going to be able to get that up in the air. And it's got a couple of different points to get it up in the air, so it's going to get some decent height on that. If you want to go and find out more information, you can go out to GC, the letter G, the letter C, light.com, right up here below my thumb right there, Michael. GClight.com. You can go check that out from Golden Century. We're at NAMM 2019.